Coming soon to theaters.
Only on DVD. Bob the Builder on-site skyscraper.
We're going to see a skyscraper being built.
Put on your hard hat, strap on your tool belt, and join Bob the Builder as his world meets the real world on-site.
Let's go on-site.
Bob and his can-do crew take you on a fun-filled adventure to a real construction site. Learn how diggers dig the foundation, just like Scoop. See how cement mixers mix up cement, just like Dizzy and Tumbler. See how tall cranes carry loads high in the sky, just like Lofty. And now, only on DVD, Bob the Builder on-site skyscraper.
Let's find out how a skyscraper is built.
From laying the foundation to the construction of each floor to elevators, you're on site with Bob the Builder.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can! Yeah, I think so.
Bob the Builder on site skyscraper. Now on DVD. Also available on site houses and playgrounds and on site roads and bridges.
For over 20 years, he's been every child's best friend.
I do have a lot of friends from all over the world.
And now you can join the Dino-rific celebration in an all-new DVD special for Barney's 20th anniversary. With the best of Barney DVD. Barney's opening his magical memory box in his special collection.
We are celebrating some happy memories.
Which features his most memorable moments of all time.
There's a lot to see.
With 20 of your favorite Barney songs. This DVD is full of special features for fans of all ages, including 7 Barney sing-alongs, an exclusive featurette, games, and much more. So join Baby Bob, BJ, Riff, and the lovable, huggable purple guy himself, Barney, for a terrific extravaganza.
I believe there's always room for one more happy memory.
As they celebrate 20 magical years of sharing, caring, and imagination in this exclusive DVD special, The Best of Barney, only on DVD.
Now available on DVD. Thomas fans won't believe their eyes. Thomas ventures to a new island in the...
Now available on DVD.
When...
Fireman Sam!
Fireman Sam.
Then open the paper and fold again along the diagonal. Fold along lines E to F and G to H to lift the wingtips, and there we go. Flying Ace Norman Price is ready to take to the skies.
Big cat apple. So
Hello, Dillis.
Fireman Sam, watch this!
We haven't got time for any of your shenanigans now, Norman Price. It's Fire Prevention Day, and Fireman Sam and I have a lot of work to do.
Come in, Fire Captain Steele. Never mind my Norman.
Sorry, Norman. Maybe you can show me some other time.
Nothing to worry about, Dillis. This is just a routine check to make sure the supermarket is fire safe. That's what Fire Prevention Day is all about. Safety.
Fire Captain Steele, would you mind holding the stepladder while I check the smoke alarm?
Of course, Sam. Safety first. Do you test your smoke alarms regularly, Dillis?
Ooh, yes. Very regularly. Oh! What's that terrible noise?
That's the test, Dillis. To show that the smoke alarm...
Stiff upper lip, Dillis. I'll get it. It's not actually a bat. What? No, when I said beauty, I meant, well...
If you two are done, maybe we should check the fire exit? Well, that exit seems to be working.
No, Fire Captain Steele is no fun at all. There must be somebody around here who'd enjoy a good air show.
Well, everything seems to be in order, Dillis, but you do need to be careful about storing empty boxes and packing materials. Paper and cardboard can be a real...
Be on our way now. We have a lot of stops to make. Come on, Sam.
Where did that come from?
Norman Price.
Oh, not him again.
Hey.
I thought it was Fire Prevention Day, not Follow Norman Price Day, but at least I know one place I won't bump into Fire Captain Steele. Who ever heard of preventing fires at a fire station? This would be the best one yet. Flying Ace Norman Price is back in business. Now to find someone who appreciates airplanes.
Chop up potato bop, I love stew. As big as something to chew. Like a Oh, and what brings you into my kitchen today, Norman Price?
Nothing. I mean, I wanted to show you something. Something really cool.
You can't pull the wool over my much.
Oh,
Chop up potato bop, I love stew. Chop bop, yes I do. Bop the hair on top of juggling too. Gotta get my teeth in something to chew. Gotta get my teeth in something to chew.
Cridlington, how's the dinner coming along today, eh? Nothing burnt, I trust?
No, I just put the stew on the simmer. It should be ready in about an hour.
Very good. Yum. Fire prevention is hungry work, you know. Oh, my.
Fire Captain Steel!
Norman Price! Stop right there, young man! Not a bad little play.
Norman,
Hello, Sam.
how are you doing with your paper airplanes?
Terrible. Nobody else in Pontypan even likes paper planes.
Anchor Bay!
Oh, great balls of fire! Oh, great balls of fire!
Emergency, you require.
Fire! Fire! Oh, great balls of fire! Oh, great balls of fire!
Emergency, which service do you require?
Spider! Spider!
Fire in the fire station kitchen?
Tom, the fire's in the kitchen!
Fire
No,
in the fire station kitchen? Oh, my.
Cut the gas supply, Elvis.
okay.
Gas supply off!
Elvis Cridlington, there was a fire extinguisher. I knew.
Yep.
Oh, I've overcooked the dinner before, Elvis, but never this bad.
Firemen are supposed to put out fires, Cridlington, not start them.
There's something here that might provide a clue.
Aha! A paper plane. Perhaps that can tell.
Captain Steele?
Paper planes as much as I do.
Narrow as it were.
Good idea, sir. Oh, poor Norman. It probably was an accident. I hope Fire Captain Steele won't be too hard on him. Don't worry, Elvis. I think Fire Captain Steele...
Rule of paper airplanes, Norman, is to be careful where you throw them. Now, watch this loop-de-loop.
Cool!
This next trick's called a barrel roll.
Do that.
Sam just gonna save the day. Fireman Sam just changed the call. Sam is the hero next door.
Hit entertainment.
The thrills. The action. The suspense. It's all new Thomas at Action Canyon. Just like in the Great Discovery DVD, you'll burst through waterfalls and bust down bridges. Action Canyon with all new heights and daredevil drops. New Trackmaster Thomas at Action Canyon comes with everything you see here. Batteries not included. Stanley sold separately.
The Thomas story began nearly 65 years ago when a father made up adventures about Thomas the Tank Engine, a blue engine who proudly wears a #1 on his side and his engine friends on the imaginary island of Sodor. Each adventure invites children to enter a world of imagination through the tracks of a train and the words of a story, leading to timeless life lessons of friendship, discovery, and cooperation. Today, with nearly universal awareness and appeal, Thomas and Friends has captivated children in all facets of their lives through television, DVD, toys, books, live events, and so much more. Joining us on Designing Spaces is Danielle Webb from Hit Entertainment, here to talk all about Thomas and Friends. Welcome to Designing Spaces, Danielle.
Thank you for having me.
You know, I have to tell you, as an adult, I love Thomas. Why do you think he is such a loved character for so many?
You know, everyone loves Thomas the Tank Engine. You know, parents and children have shared the stories for generations, and parents can really trust Thomas because he stands for such positive values: friendship, cooperation, discovery. And kids love Thomas because he's just a kid in your bed.
Exactly.
They're a core play pattern for
Young
little
ones.
boys. And, you know, with a smiling face like Thomas is, what's not to love? So much more than sheep to redo a whole room.
On Designing Spaces, transform a room today for...
It will be a virtual...
I just love this. It adds such color to the room. This is a mural.
Sure, we wanted to really set the Island of Sodor scene. So we started out with this bold mural, and it's very easy to apply. It comes in 7 panels, and like you said, it really does set the scene for this whole immersive Thomas things that parents would be using in their...
This came out really cute.
Isn't it great?
Yes.
It's so perfect because the sets really make it so easy. Everything is coordinated, from the sheets to the comforter to the pillow shams, and it works really well with just basic accent throw pillows.
The colors, yeah.
And of course the Thomas cuddle pillow.
Look at that. That is so cute.
The other great thing about the bedding is that it really works with this trundle bed that we chose, which sort of has a bit of a train theme going on.
Yeah.
So here, check this out with the trundle bed.
Look at all the Thomas clothes.
Yeah, Riley has his whole new set of Thomas pajamas. The railroad crossing sign, bookshelf.
The map.
Exactly, the Island of Sodor map that really sets the scene. And he's all set to cuddle up for a good night's sleep.
I know, it looks very cozy. Okay, what do we have over here?
Over here we have the Thomas Wooden Railway train table, which is really the cornerstone of any child's Thomas and Friends playroom.
Definitely. Look at how much is going on here. He is going to love
Well,
it.
Sure, Thomas can leave to the sheds and go for all of his adventures on the Island of Sodor. And there's just...
Yes.
we also added...
Adam smell. Oi. Behind it.
all the way around,
cute.
exactly.
Yes.
And what's great about this train table is that there's built-in storage. It's every parent's dream, so you can keep everything nice and neat. We've also added some baskets underneath to keep things in, as well as these great little stools for sitting and for storing.
So you really have left no stone unturned. Every little place you have storage or something cute for him to play with.
Exactly. It's fun. There's a multitude of options for playtime, and then when playtime's over, everything can be neatly put away.
I like it. This is beautiful. This mural is great here on the wall.
It really is bold and beautiful, and it sets the whole scene for the Island of Sodor.
It really
There's
does.
Thomas under Sir Topham Hatt's watchful eye, and it's really easy to install. It comes in 7 panels.
Oh,
They go
okay.
on really easily.
So depending on the size of your room, you can do fewer or more panels.
Exactly. It's
Okay.
really adaptable.
Wonderful. And then what's over
Here we have our Thomas and Friends lamp, which is great because it perfectly coordinates with the bedding.
It really does. Perfect.
And a fun snow globe accent. Cute. You'll love this. Check it out. It's a flashlight.
Oh, how cute. Well, you have thought of everything.
Listen to that. Oh my goodness. I did Riley as well.
That is
Ready?
a cute shirt.
And listen.
Oh my goodness, I cannot believe even the shirt. That is so fun. Did you hear that? I think he's here. You know what? Let me go get Riley and bring him in. He's going to love this room. I'll be right back.
Awesome!
Do you like it, Riley? Yeah, look how beautiful. Check out all of this.
It's simple. There's a variety of Thomas and Friends themed bedding already available, which is coordinated with window treatments and rugs. There's also lamps and night lights and wall murals, borders, decals, so you can really customize any space. And of course, let's not forget the train table.
Yeah, he's having a good time over
Exactly. Exactly. So it really gives kids a whole variety of creative possibilities for playtime. And parents really appreciate that there's already all that built-in storage. So the systems are both functional and fun.
For our viewers to get more information, where can they go?
They can go to thomasandfriends.com. There's tips, product info, and where to shop on the Thomas and Friends website. And if you bring your child along, they'll have some fun themselves with Thomas and his engine friends.
I think he's having a good time. Oh, look at that. Well, I think we succeeded in making him a very happy little boy today with his room. I have to thank you, Daniel, so much for being here, and also to the folks at Hit Entertainment, really for making another successful room makeover on Designing Spaces, so thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, what is he doing?
Yeah.